We're learning more today about a lockdown at Spokane Middle School earlier today. Around 10 a.m., the sheriff's office received an intruder alarm from the school, then received several calls about there being an intruder and some kind of chaos in the building. Now, officials secured both the high school and middle school and made sure the students were in a safe place. The sheriff of Christian County, Brad Cole, says they found no threat on campus.
You know, the information that we had from the 911 calls, we weren't able to corroborate that either, but those calls did come from inside the school. We've talked to the people that called. The information they gave us is that they were relaying information from somebody else.
School officials are still meeting with investigators to figure out exactly what happened.